did not complete this. Well, anyways, wait. I did. Wait. What? It's going hello. That's no. No. That's not safe. That's not food. Not. No. Holy. That's a lot out. Oh, no. Oh, get away. Get away. Oh, please. Guys. Get away. Get away. Oh, no. No. Oh my god! Hey! Look at my crap! Trying to catch me! Finally! Wait. Is she giving me the crystal heart or is it a purple heart? I was thinking it might be a crystal heart because let's look. Like literally, look at it. Well, I got the oh no, almost got in that too. I got a crystal heart. Oh, that's great. Oh, a page. I finished the page. OMG! Yes. Huh? Oh. Wait. That is going OMG! Holy moly! What is this? Ooh, a special book. Okay, so. Ooh. You've discovered the sketchbook. You can use it to draw a new stickman. Tap any drawing to swap to it in game. As you discover new pencils, you can also draw new tools. Access your sketchbook at any time using the sketchbook button. Oh, so yeah, there's me, and there's Gopher. Wait, what is this? Oh, someone already made some stuff. Whoa, lava sword! Holy moly, that's amazing! Holy cow! Keys? Someone named the key FGTV. Oh yeah, I do like FGTV. Star code FGTV. Use it. Yeah. Like on Roblox. Face key. Ha. That's funny. Anyways, I think that's the video for this. Wait, I got another page. Whoa! Well, the next video, we will do, page 2. Tell me what we should draw next. So bye.